Bro, oh, what's going on? Don't you think I need some peace and quiet too?
Bro, I need to chill too. So why don't you take your peace and quiet and go somewhere else?
सही कह रहा है यार. एक काम करता हूँ मैं बाथरूम में जाके बैठ जाता हूँ या फिर तेरे सर पे बैठ जाता हूँ. वहाँ तो बहुत जगह है. Dude, this sofa is all we have.
Well, technically, you're not wrong. But wait, how about we create a self-love corner in the house?
Dude, that's a great idea. Mr. Richie Rich, we are perpetually broke.
That's also true. But wait, how about I tell you how to get it done without spending a bundle?
You're kidding.
I'm not. You have the Myntra app on your phone, right?
Yeah.
निकाल देखते हैं.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm thinking we get something like these planters for the area here with some
Yeah.
artificial lights and stuff. And then maybe we can put some speakers, some chairs. It'll look fab.
Yeah, dude.
Up for it?
Yeah.
Let's get it done then,
Let's
man.
get it done.